Dear students, you are watching Devs Academy. Today we will study for class 9, CBAC, class 9. Here we will study cube of a binomial. Actually this is factorization of polynomials. This chapter is from factorization of polynomials, and here cube of a binomial. At first, to calculate the value of a plus b whole cube, this is a formula, and this is formula with verification. One verification and two verification is very clearly I have done it. You can do it in negative also. It is a plus b whole cube equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b 3 times. That is a plus b whole square into a plus b. We know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and again a plus b. Now this a square plus 2ab plus b square is multiplied with a plus b. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square into b. Multiplying with a, we are getting a cube 2a square b plus 2ab square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. Adding, we are getting, this is a cube 2ab square plus 2a square b plus a square b equal to 3a square b, ab square plus 2ab square equal to 3ab square and b cube. This is one. This is very too much used. This formula is too much used. If we can write like this way, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. By taking here a plus b common, we can write the formula like this way. This is number 1, this is number 2. Now a minus b whole cube, it is also done in the similar way. It is a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. That is a minus b into a minus b whole square. A minus b and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this a square minus 2ab plus b square is multiplied with a minus b, at first with a and then with minus b. Multiplying with a, we are getting a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square, and with minus b we are getting minus a square b plus, because minus minus plus 2ab square minus plus minus b cube. Arranging and adding this, we are getting a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. Or we can write like this way also, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, taking common 3a square b, we are getting 3ab, we have 3ab is common, a minus b. This type of this type is used more. Now to see how a plus b plus c whole cube is taken. It is like this, at a time a plus b taken and then c. This is regarded as a and this is regarded as b. So a plus b whole cube equal to, formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is written like this way, number 1, like number 1. So a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, a plus b whole cube equal to, again 3 into a plus b whole square. So it is 3 into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Multiplying this 3a plus b into c square, we are getting this one, 3 into a plus b, this is this one, and this is, and this is, and a plus b whole cube equal to this a plus b whole cube. So we are getting like this an expression with a and b like this way. Again, just see a cube plus b cube, 3a square b 3ab square. Multiplying this a square plus 2ab plus b square with 3c, we are getting 3a square c plus 3 to the 6 abc and 3b square c, and this 3ac square plus 3bc square plus c cube. Arranging properly, we are getting a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3a square c plus 3b square c plus 3ac square plus 3bc square, and last this 6abc. We have regarded this a plus b at a time and c another time as a plus b whole cube. We can do so many different forms like this way. Again, another one, a cube plus b cube equal to, we know, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube equal to a cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus this 3ab we have taken on the right side, and this is number 6. This is taken from 2. This is taken from 2. From 2 we are getting this number 6 one. Again, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab minus 3ab into a minus b equal to a minus b whole cube. This is from 4. Number 4. This is number 4. We have taken, this is number 4, and again this is a cube minus b cube equal to, then it will minus 3ab into a plus b will come right side, and we will get another formula. This is used for find the value of this number 6 and 7 is used for to find the value of or evaluate. Now for factorization, a cube plus b cube, we have seen that a cube plus b cube equal to this one, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and a plus b whole cube equal to a plus b into a plus b whole square, and this is 3ab into a plus b. We have taken common a plus b taken common, a plus b whole square minus 3ab. When a plus b whole square is broken down, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is again minus 3ab. So the formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is used for factorization. This is used for factorization. Number 8 number is used for factorization. The another for factorization is a cube minus b cube. This is number a cube minus b cube, g number g. So again a cube minus b cube we are getting from 7, that a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. After breaking down this one, a minus b whole cube, we are getting a minus b into a plus b whole square plus 3ab into a plus b. When we are taking a plus a minus b, it will be a minus b. This will be a minus b, a minus b. So you have taken a minus b common, and this is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab. When we are adding, we are getting a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is number 9. This formula is also used for factorization. Number 8 and number 9 is used as factorization. Now see some short problems. At first expand 3a plus 1 by 4b whole cube. According to the formula a plus b whole cube, it is 3a whole cube plus 3 into 3a square into 1 by 4b plus 3 into 3a into 1 by 4b square plus 1 by 4b cube. After calculating, we are getting this 27a cube plus 27a square by 4b plus 9a by 16b square plus 1 by 64b cube. This is the answer. The another one for expanding, this is 3x plus 5 by x whole cube. This is in minus formula. This formula is minus from 4. from 3, you can a cube, that is 3x whole cube minus 3 into x square into 5 by x plus 3 into 3x into 5 by x whole square minus 5 by x whole cube. Calculating this, we are getting 27x cube minus 135x, because 3 3s are 9 and 25, 3 3s are 9 into 3, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 5 135, and the next one is 3 into 3 9 and 5 25, 3 9 into 25 225 by x. 225 by x, it will be square, but this x will cancel out and it will be only x. And the last one will be 5 cube, that is 125 by x cube. This is answer. Second, just see factorization. It is given a cube minus 12a into a minus 4 minus 64. After multiplying these 2a into a minus 4, we are getting 12a square plus 48a minus 64. Just see, this is arranged like this way: a cube minus 3 into a square into 4 plus 3 into a into 4 square plus 4 cube, which is a minus 4 whole cube. That is a minus 4 into a minus 4 into a minus 4. This is answer. 3 times it is written, these 3 factors. Number 2, 64 by 125 a cube minus 96 by 25 a square plus 48 by 5a minus 8. The first one is 4a by 5 whole cube, because 64 equal to 4 cube and 125 equal to 5 cube, and a cube is 4a by 5 whole cube. And this one 96 by 25 a square is broken down like this way: 3 into 4a by 5 whole square into 2. This is a square minus 3a square into b plus 3ab square, that is 3 into 4a by 5 into 2 square plus 2 cube. This will, if we calculate this, it will come this way. So it is 4a minus 2 whole cube, that is 4a minus 2 into 4a minus 4a by 5 minus 2, 4a by 5 minus 2 into 4a by 5 minus 2. 3 times it is written, 3 factors. Number 3, it is given 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square plus 135xy square. It is broken down in a minus b whole cube formula, according to a minus b whole cube formula. That is 5x cube minus 3y cube minus 3 into 5x square into 3y plus 3 into 5 into x into 3y whole square. This is 5x minus 3y whole cube, and this factor is written 3 times, that is 3x minus 5y into 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y. Next, evaluate 99 equal to 100 minus 1. So it is 99 cube equal to 100 minus 1 whole cube. It is done according to the minus formula: a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So calculating this, we are getting 970299. Again it is 103 whole cube, a plus b whole cube. According to this, a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Calculating this, we are getting 1092,727. So students, this is all about today's lesson. Next we will do more. Try to follow my classes. That's all today.